You have to take this one, and still it's scary. You will see now why. So here I am, and it looks like the sea. Hello and good morning, welcome back to Colombia. We are here in Aguachica, and we go today to Valledupar. So it's going to be a long day. It's 300 kilometers of road. Our group is already having breakfast, and we are going to have breakfast too, and then we start the day. Let's go. Into the sunshine. And here we are on our dirt road part for today. Here's the first water crossing, and it's a bit deep. Let's see. Most of us are through. It's always a bad sign when there's a photographer.
Yeah.
There he comes. So now here it seems better, less stone, because they were rather big there. Okay, so let's see, more water, more stones, more up and down. This is quite a dirt road you wouldn't expect here, because the rest of this landscape is just plain and hot and dry. This is quite a surprise here. More water. Okay. Okay. You. Here. Oh, it's nice with the shadow here. Oh, and now, maybe there. Ich denke. So much water. And now I have to go through the water, I guess. Yeah, now there's no other chance. Oh. Really, really nice. A water trail. now the village. Tocaimo, I think is its name. Tocaimo. Or Tocaima. Padilla. I have to find our hotel now. I hope I can do this. So much life, so many people. We are not used to this anymore. We are starting the day from Valledupar going to Riohacha. Early morning. Sunshine as always. No traffic so far. We are in Carrizal. Oh, even the police is here. You wouldn't expect that here in the middle of nowhere, but there they are. But they didn't stop us. We didn't exceed speed, I guess. Yeah, found it. Everybody there. So we start the dirt road part. Bigger challenges coming, and I'm quite curious because we had more rain than usual, and I'm so curious what that did to all the water crossings that are waiting for us here. Here's the first one round the corner. Yes, okay. Well, everybody gets through. Sabine has wet feet already. It is a bit deep. Look again, such a nice and beautiful dirt road. A bit with a shadow, a bit like winding. That's what we like, and with a bit of water. But to tell you the truth, the first water crossing had already more water than usual. So I think we'll have fun with the following crossings. A bit bigger. I think, I don't know if I want to try. think. I try. And it's here. Wow. Oh. Via Cerrada, that's not good. Yes, you will get wet feet.
Tweede koord.
Gas! Ooh, this is going to be the detour here. Buenas. Bien, gracias. Yeah, at the moment we are still fine. The big question is what will happen in, let me see, 200 meters. So the Colombian guy told me, well, I know that you have to take this one, and still it's scary. You will see now why. So here I am, and it looks like the sea. Well, gonna enjoy for a second. And then everybody there? Ja. Ich versuch's mal. Who is next? Elisabeth. Gas! Yo! Das war's.
Gekonnt ist gekonnt.
Yeah, so we are here in Barrancas. We had our water crossings. Everybody has wet feet now, and we found a nice little restaurant, and we are waiting for our lunch now.
Limón. Sí, chica, toma.
So our lunch is finished. It was a good lunch, and here we are. Whole group getting prepared to continue. Ciao. Hola, buenas. ¿Qué venden ustedes?
Dulce y cosas de comer.
¿Qué es?
Dulces y cosas de tomate. Mira.
Pero dulce de qué es?
Dulces de leche, leche con coco, leche cortada, papaya, locura, de ñame, grosella, maduro.
¿Y cuál es la diferencia, digamos, entre el oscuro y el otro?
Porque este es arequipe y este es plátano maduro,
Ah, ¿y este?
de ñame,
¿Y este?
leche cortada, de papaya, de piña, papaya y coco, leche con coco y de leche soya.
Ok, ¿y en cuánto los vende?
8.000.
8.000. Me regala uno de...
Y estos son paneritas de leche con coco.
Ah, ok. Eso dijiste es plátano.
Plátanos.
¿Es muy dulce?
No.
Bueno, muchas gracias.
Igual, gracias, que Dios la bendiga.
So that was my sweet. I've never tried it, but I always like to buy one thing, no matter what. We have arrived at Riohacha. It's a bit busy here. Yeah. Yeah, here I am back in Riohacha with the whole group. It's 6 o'clock and over there is the sea. You can hear it maybe also. And everybody has arrived safe and sound here in Riohacha. We are all in our rooms, had a shower. I still have to do that, and then we will meet in the center of Riohacha and see if we can have a nice dinner at the beach. Yeah, and that's it for today. So I hope you liked this episode. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and then I see you back next Saturday.